Hi everybody, and welcome back to Coblentz Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. In today's video, we are back in Geneva, Pennsylvania. This should be the last installment of this project. We're planning on getting some liner panel on, getting the stair treads done. I'm really excited about how this project is turning out. Come check it out. This ceiling is getting a white liner panel, but before we install that, we have to put insulation in the ceiling because we won't be able to get it in there afterwards. We are attaching the metal using 1.5-inch white screws. Rudy will insert this end of the metal right into the J channel that we previously installed. He is using his fingers to feel the edge before he puts the screw in to make sure that it is in the right spot. They're putting the final screws in the ceiling for this liner panel. I really love the way this looks on the ceiling. Next, we want to make the stringers for our stairs so we can get up to the loft area. We start by cutting the stringers with the skill saw. Being careful not to cut through our marks. We don't want to weaken them. Because we stopped on our mark, the skill saw leaves a little bit of wood that we have to clean up with the Sawzall. After we get the first one cut, we want to use it as a pattern for the other stringers so that they're the exact same. After getting all the stringers cut, we are marking a square line to attach it to the floor upstairs. We are using 2x4s to make a hand railing to go up the stairs. We are also going to be using the 2x4s for the railing up around the loft. On this job, we're planning on putting blown-in insulation in the ceiling. Before we put the ceiling on, we need to install baffles. The baffles allow for the air from the soffit to still be able to come up into the attic space. To prevent the blown-in insulation from falling into our soffit, we install bad insulation at the bottom of our baffles. We are finishing up the liner panel just in time because MC overhead door is pulling in to put on our garage doors. We use MC overhead door to install all our garage doors on all our projects. They're just a really good professional company and I really like their doors. So that'll wrap up today's video and this project. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and come follow us on the next one. If you are in the northwestern Pennsylvania or eastern Ohio area and are interested in us building your building and being featured on one of our next videos, then call me, Robert, at 814-572-5241, and I'd be happy to talk to you.